In today's rapidly evolving world, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing various industries. One significant area of impact is the field of education, where AI's role raises intriguing questions. Will AI-powered systems eventually render traditional teaching methods obsolete? The integration of AI in education offers immense potential for personalized learning experiences. Students can receive tailored support and feedback, enhancing their educational journey. However, concerns arise about the human touch and emotional connection that teachers provide. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify learning patterns and optimize educational strategies. Yet, the nuanced aspects of teaching, like empathy and understanding, remain uniquely human. Educators need to embrace AI as a tool to enhance rather than replace their teaching practices. Collaboration between teachers and AI can create a powerful synergy for effective education. By leveraging AI, teachers can focus on mentorship, creativity, and fostering critical thinking skills. The future of education lies in a harmonious balance between AI-driven innovation and human expertise. As we navigate this transformative era, the role of teachers remains indispensable. Join us in exploring the dynamic landscape of AI-powered education and the evolving role of educators. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.